Hey, how you doing? Dennis here, and today, this isn't your typical loading spinner. Let's get started. Let's start with a circle, 80 by 80. Give it a border of 5. Color it white, and let's remove the fill. Let's call this full circle. Duplicate. Pull the sweep over to minus 50% and rotate it to minus 90 and change the ratio to 100%. Call this the left half. Duplicate. Rotate it to 90 degrees and call this one the right half. Draw a frame. Call this one left. Duplicate. Call this one right. Remove the fill. Place the left half in the left frame and the right half in the right frame. Put the space between them at 0 and wrap them both in a frame. And let's call this frame Spinner 1. Select the right half and rotate it out of view. Select the left half and rotate it out of view. Duplicate. Select the right half and rotate it back into view. Duplicate again. Select the left half and rotate it back into view. Switch to prototype. Connect spinner 1 to spinner 2. Let's do after delay at 1 millisecond. Switch to smart animate, ease in at 500 milliseconds. Connect spinner 2 to spinner 3. Set everything up the same, but let's change ease in to ease out. Let's take a look. Okay, the left half is rotating the wrong way, so let's select that. Rotate it back 1/100th of a degree. This will help it rotate clockwise. Duplicate spinner 3. Select the right and left halves. Increase the border to 13. Let's color it a Figma blue and increase it to 88 and nudge it back to the center. Place the full circle inside the spinner 4 frame and send it to back. Rotate the right half out of view and rotate the left half out of view. Duplicate it. Now same as before, rotate the right half into view. Duplicate. Rotate the left half into view. Duplicate again. Rotate the right half out of view. Duplicate again. And rotate the left half out of view. Switch to prototype. Connect spinner 3 to spinner 4 after delay of 1 millisecond and change smart animate to instant. Connect spinner 4 to spinner 5. After delay of 1 millisecond, smart animate, ease in. Connect the others the same way, alternating between ease in and ease out. Let's try it out. That's cool, but I want everything clockwise. Let's select the halves that were rotating counterclockwise and adjust them 1/100th of a degree the other direction. When you rotate something a full 180 degrees, Figma sometimes makes assumptions about which direction you want it to rotate. This tiny adjustment will help it rotate the direction you want. Nice. Now connect spinner 8 to spinner 4, set to after delay, 1 millisecond, and change smart animate to instant. And this will create a continuous loop. Select all, create a component set, and call it spinner. Let's put it to use. I'm dragging the content of my design out of the frame, place the spinner in the center, change the background to black, duplicate, change the background back to white, set the opacity of the spinner to 0, Drag the content back up, switch to prototype, connect your screens, set to after delay for 3.5 seconds, Smart Animate 600. And there you have it. As always, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you for more lessons real soon. Take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.